located 359 kilometres south of Perth, is framed by the spectacular Prongerup and Stirling ranges.
We're a reasonably rich agricultural area, diverse, wines, sheep, cattle. We've got the whole range here.
With so much history, new initiatives like the Town Resource Centre are making sure not all of Mount Barker is living in days of old.
Initially the project began by the local Baptist church needing new facilities. We'd outgrown our existing facilities. We don't own any of it. It's an investment in the community of Plantagenet, and this facility is owned by the local shire and therefore the people of the town. There's a broad variety of activities. We have a Centrelink agency, we have the town library, we have a food bank operating now, fully functioning. We have office space available for short or long-term lease. Then we have a variety of multi-purpose spaces. Students coming for homework classes are seeing it as a bit of their space now too, so they're taking some ownership of it.
This community resource centre keeps you off the streets, helps you better your education.
Transformation of this impressive structure, worth over $2 million, nearly ground to a halt until the Mount Barker Community Bank came aboard with a unique solution of a $150,000 interest-free loan.
It's a very rewarding experience working in a job where your day-to-day working activities return money into the community.
We really appreciate the fact that represents a substantial part of their annual activity.
Pressures were eased when the Mount Barker Community Bank offered its support in the upgrade of the local medical facilities. Rob Stewart recalls the much-welcomed phone call.
They knew that we were running short of money to put this building together, and they came along and wrote us a cheque for $200,000. We're paying it back now, but at 0% interest. And as they said, look, this is the way we're putting things back into the community. And we were able to put the medical centre together.
The community bank involvement in the building and actually making it happen, the services here have been able to be expanded, which has been great. There's a really strong sense that this is a community medical centre. The nice thing as well is, of course, because we have additional room and additional consulting space, we have room for extra doctors, which is a big bonus for us.
Because this bank has been so successful, the community, the local government and the Bendigo Bank are now putting the long-going infrastructure for the town and the community.
Not far from the new medical facilities, the kids of Kendenup Primary School have everyone talking.
Our students, very surprisingly, wanted to enter a chess competition. We won our regional,
which we hadn't actually been aware was the regionals when they went.
We just thought that this was a competition.
Well, I felt pretty amazed.
Well, we celebrated by eating lots of lowies out of the trophy.
Queen.
And their success didn't stop there. With the ongoing assistance of the Mount Barker Community Bank, the kids of Kendenup Primary were able to purchase an outdoor chess set, and they also found themselves flying to Melbourne to compete in a national event.
Parents have been very supportive, so have community members. We have Mr. Bill Sandlands who comes in and helps out with our chess club during lunch breaks.
Checkmate!
They're state champions.
Yeah, these kids have, and they're not out of primary school yet. So as I said, it's that whole thing that, okay, I've reached this, now let's see where else I can go.